Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saummya and today we will be moving to our next question in Babbar's 450 question DSA sheet, which is best time to buy and sell stock. So let's move forward, and people, if you haven't hit the bell icon, please hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of every video I post. Thank you, and let's move forward. So people, our today's question is this one. The question is on LeetCode platform today. Okay, so for the very first, let's read the question very carefully. Let it load. Okay, so the question is best time to buy and sell stock. Okay, so we are given an array whose name is prices, where it's every element tells us the price of the given stock on that day. Okay, we want to maximize our profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Okay, and we need to return that maximum profit. And yeah, so in this question what we need to focus is one thing, like in this array we can see that if we buy the stock at this minimum price and sell the stock at this maximum price, we will get the maximum profit. Okay, one thing people, we can't do this, that we are buying stock on this price and selling this on 7, because since we are buying it before and we are selling it in future, so we can't do this thing. So I guess we will be able to understand the code better through the code. Okay, so let's just try to code for this and then I will explain you. Guess I'm not able to zoom. Yeah, this. Yeah, so for the very first we will be taking a variable n, so that we will not be using length of prices, this long thing every time. Okay, then we will check if the length of the array is less than or equal to 1, we will be returning 0. Okay people, if the length of array is only 1, then there is only one day, so in one day we can't buy and sell the stock. Okay, so we are taking a variable profit. Okay, initially it is 0 and some minimum price, let us give it the first value. This is okay. Now we will be starting a loop for I in range starting from first index till the last. If this minimum price is less than that element, then we will be updating minimum price to that value. Okay, and the profit will be maximum of its initial value, and it will be compared by the difference prices of that day minus the minimum. Okay, we will just be returning the profit. So people, I hope I was able to explain this thing. What we are doing is, initially we are taking a variable for length of the array. Okay, then we are checking if the length is less than or equal to 1, then we will be returning 0, because we cannot achieve the transaction in one day. Okay, we are taking a variable for profit and minimum prices. We are giving the value of the very first element in the array. Okay, then we are running a loop from the second element to the last, checking the minimum price. If the minimum price is less than that value, then it will be updated to dash. For example, in this array people, we can see that if initially we are given 7, then in this condition minimum price will be updated by 1, and since 1 is the minimum, it will not be updated further. And after this we will be getting a minimum price, and profit will be checking it, either it will be 0 only or it will be maximum, which means the present price minus the minimum of value. Okay, so this was our solution, people. Let's try to run. It's giving us some error. Let us check. Okay, so here is the error, people. This value should be greater than, then only it will be updated. Okay, if it is greater, then only it will be updated with the present value, then only it will be the minimum one. Okay, now let's try to run this. Yes, it's running perfectly. Submit. Yes. So that's all for today, people. I will be attaching the solution in the description and the Love Babbar's DSA sheet. And people, if you are liking my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel.